Alright, so when you first walk in, you're being greeted up here in the front. Normally they are in the back because no one's here, it's only us. Alright, but you got good food, good friends, good times, and that is a promise, I guarantee you. And yes, they are with God, all things are possible. Alright, so you come in, you got some menus right here in the front, right? So you get some good stuff, right? Specialties, desserts, quesadillas are yummy. Yes, they got kids menu, some extras, alright? But that's, look at that, that's that fried bread, I'm telling y'all. So as you're coming in, right, you place your order, and you come in. You can also come over here. These are all the drinks they offer. And they have Coca-Cola actually from Mexico. If you already know, you know, all right? That's the real deal, that's the good stuff. The Coca-Cola they make here in the United States is yucky. That is good, but that's also primo and you're gonna pay for it, all right? But all the different sodas. That's basically how they come out. Thing like that. That one, she got quesadilla.
For now.
And yep, gone. Alright, so not everyone always gets a chance to come into the back where the kitchen is, where all the magic happens. So let's go ahead and take a quick tour. Alright, so as we come in, there we go. We got some awesome deep fryers. That's where, as you can see, that's the good stuff right there. That's the Indian fry bread. They do it all up right here in the front. Everything comes up, orders come in, right? And they got a nice little grill here. That's where they do the tacos that you just saw us eating. And then obviously a regular grill. And then just a regular kitchen, right? So yeah, that's basically it. It's a real small area, but they got some really good stuff that comes out of this kitchen. So that fry bread that came out, or that you saw in the grill, right? That is already out here on the table, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like because that's the second part of lunch, and I'm still hungry. So here's Mama's. Say hi, Mamas.
Hi, Mamas.
So,
I told me to say.
so we got some of this, as I almost fall down. There we go, that's a nice Indian fry bread.
Do you say
I got some
Indian?
corn.
That's the way he is.
Huh? Navajo fry bread.
You said Indian.
Indian.
And you swam with me and gone to Costco.